No, what is that right there?
That is either some of their old shell, or it is...
Science kits are the materials that are provided to kindergarten through grade 6 teachers. They are aligned to the Virginia Department of Education science standards.
So each elementary school teacher is going to get a science kit that's going to cover each unit, and there's a variety of topics that are going to be covered in these kits, ranging from weather, ecosystems, astronomy, force, motion, energy, all sorts of topics. In addition, some of the teachers are also going to get live animals, included painted ladies and ladybugs.
What are our ladybugs right now? What stage are they in? That we have talked about many, many times. Let's say it on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Larva! Very good. And
so this is really a collaborative effort. It starts with the work with our teachers. We have summer curriculum projects that develop the units. And so we bring in classroom teachers who are working with students every day, and we think about the types of experiences that will allow students to experience the science that they're supposed to be learning, and think about what are those materials that we need in order to ensure that students have that meaningful experience they can attach the science to. And then Brian takes over really making sure that those materials make it into the kits.
In addition to working with Lauren and the teachers, I'm going to work with the warehouse team to ensure that we're getting the correct quantities of materials, that the materials are also going to be pre-packed in a way that the teachers are going to be able to use them effectively and efficiently, so that students are able to have these wonderful hands-on experiences.
See if you can find the pupa. So this unit actually pairs really, really well with our first benchmark unit, and I am very grateful for that. We're talking about animal adaptations. So they've actually been talking a lot about ecosystems within their language art units. I want you to turn to the people around you and come up with a sentence that uses the word ecosystem. Turn and talk, go. And being able to see those ecosystems now in science is a really, really good connection that helps them remember that concept. He's turning into a pupa. Good eye, Violet.
No.
This one right here. With these kits, they get to experience and see and do a lot of the different science concepts.
They can actually be scientists in that moment and get really up close and personal. It's really cool to actually be able to witness and see, oh, it's currently in its larva stage. It's about to go into its pupa stage and then become that adult ladybug.
Oh my God.
Oh, there's some of its wings.
Having ladybugs in our classroom was pretty fun. I thought it was cool to see ladybugs up close, and I like bugs.
These are all the same species of ladybug, but yes, there are some different variations throughout the world.
Do they fly?
They will eventually, yes. They can't fly as much right now.
Right now they can't really fly because they're still getting ready. When we first got them, they were like hatching out of their eggs, and they were so tiny that we had to use magnifying glasses to see them, and they were kind of like black, but you could kind of see like the yellow, green at the same time. The black spots and the red, it means like, I'm poisonous, don't eat me.
I'm
Please
not
don't eat
good,
me.
I'm not good.
I'm not tasty.
Everybody repeat, metamorphosis. Anything else that we notice or wonder? Michael.
Helps really make it equitable, that regardless of which pyramid you're in or which school you're in, you're getting the same exact ladybug kit. To provide this opportunity for all third graders in Fairfax County schools is a big accomplishment.
We really want students to experience what it is like to be a scientist. So not only are they learning content, they are using their scientific and engineering skills by developing hypotheses and making observations, analyzing data. And this gives them a real context to explore and do that in an authentic way.
Communication, collaboration, critical and creative thinking. Those are the skills that will grow when the students use these science kits. They will have the opportunity to work in groups with their peers, to talk to each other and to ask each other questions and learn about these really cool scientific concepts together. And what will that do? That will foster that critical and creative thinking.